What's up, everybody? So today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a 3/16 hole in a fiberglass shower. So I'm just going to use some blue tape just to tape off the area and isolate it, so that way when I'm sanding I don't scratch up any of the surrounding area. So since it's such a small area, I'm going to go ahead and use the Bondo filler. I'm going to go ahead and mix up a little bit, and then instead of using a regular spreader, I'm just going to go ahead and use a single edge blade to apply it. So you'll see that right now. And remember, when you're using the cream hardener, always use one bead across the diameter of the Bondo. So once it's dried up and the tape is removed, I'm going to go ahead and take 60 grit and very lightly sand it. I like to use a more coarse or abrasive sandpaper for the initial sanding, but I barely put pressure on it, and it seems to take it down really well without leaving any rough edges. Then I'll take some 120 or 220, and same thing, I'll just lightly go over it just to kind of really smoothen it out before I go ahead and spot spray it. So whenever I'm doing repairs, I'm always making sure to check the manufacturer, because when it's aquatic, I can use the high performance Rust-Oleum gloss white, and it's almost a perfect match. So there you have it. I'll give it another two or three sprays and then let it sit for 48 hours. There you go. If you have any questions, make sure to comment below.